Welcome to my weekly Fabricate Friday video on my YouTube channel and blog. I'm Suzanne, a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in Canada. Today's video is all about paper crafting. I'm here to share how easy it is to make a 3D project. I also sell the products I feature in this video. I hope you enjoy my free video tutorial, and I would love to see you shop with me. Hi everybody, check out this little box. It's super cute. So it's not a fold flat, so you can fold it flat, but this end is secure and it closes like that, and it's super cute. This is my prototype, but I'm going to share with you a autumnal version. So okie dokie, so this is a piece of crumb cake. It is 7.5 by 5 1/4. And so on the long side, I'm going to score at 1/2, 2 3/4, 4, 6 1/4, flip it round. I'm going to do a half again, 1 3/4, and 4. I'm going to fold and burnish all of my score lines. Okay, so I'm going to start on the side here. There's a rectangle that I'm going to remove right there. And I'm also going to remove this little square here and the rectangle. So basically, this part right here is the back part, like that. So I'm going to cut up on this score line here, and here, and there. However, this whole section here has got to go. I'm going to remove that. All right. We're going to get cut up on all the score lines. I switched between my big scissors and my small scissors. The Stampin' Up! Used to sell these big scissors. I don't know why they don't sell them anymore. They're amazing. I think they were supposed to be for ribbons, but I use them for long cuts. But I do like my small scissors here, or they're called paper snips in the catalog, because I can cut a small section of the paper, and I can also wedge out. And man, these scissors are sharp. They are, and I remember doing a class and telling people they're sharp, and sure enough, about 3 people did comment, "Oh wow, these scissors really are sharp." Yep, not joking. All right, and then I'm going to wedge out just a tiny bit here on the lip of the lid. And then I think what I'm going to do is I will wedge out just a little bit on the inside tabs at the bottom, just so that there is no weird bulk. And then we are going to put this together. So I have my Stampin' Seal Plus here, and all I'm going to do is put adhesive along that little tab, fold that tab down, fold this down. This is my favorite part. I can see that I did not cut the paper exactly properly. I'm about, I don't know, oh my goodness, I don't know, 1/8 of an inch off, because I'm not perfect. All right, let's see here. So I want the front of it to come around, so I'm going to fold my little flaps in, and then I'm going to put adhesive on this part, maybe, you know, a stripe in the middle. Like that. And then I'm going to do a U. So 2 strips here, here, and here. So I call it a tape U. And then, because I wasn't perfect, it will be consistent around that I'll probably have to trim off little bits and pieces. I usually just feel it with my finger, and if I can feel a weird snag, then I haven't put it together correctly. And then, here we go. I'm putting the lid in, and it went in easily. Perfect. All right, so I have, this is the Gilded Autumn specialty paper. I have 2 pieces that are 2 by 2. So that is the front and the back. This is the one that has the pretty copper in it. And then I have 3 pieces, 2 by 1. And I've already put adhesive on here for time so that we can just get on to decorating and, you know, our lives. And this is 2 by 1. Did I say that already? You need 3 pieces. So the only part that doesn't get decorated is the bottom, which does not fold flat. All right, so I have that. This is that brush metallic, and it's so cool because I don't know if you can see that or if the shine is on there, but it is actually, you can see the brush marks of this metallic. It's very unique, and I quite like it because it's not as shiny and fake looking as some foils. Then I just have a single circle from the Stitch Circles. Oh, you're probably wondering where that is. This came from the Tasteful Labels. So that's this one, and it makes that detail pretty, hey? And then I just used a layering circle, this little guy here. And I also used this bow, or I decided to use this bow. This is the Gray Granite metallic ribbon, shimmer ribbon. It's really pretty. I already did a bow because I did not want to waste your time and have you watch me fuss with a bow. I have my Massive Thanks stamp set here. I'm just going to use this Thanks. I like it. I love the font in this. It's probably one of my favorite. I'm going to put the bow here at the bottom. So I'm going to put my thank you kind of at the top, or thanks at the top. That was Crumb Cake. Here is my boop dots. And I need my take your pick tool. And then put the glue dot on the bow if it wants to stick. It's starting to get cold here, so I can tell my glue dots are not wanting to leave their home or anything metallic. That's what happens. Although it's starting to get cold, I'm still wearing my Birkenstocks to work. I'm thwarting the seasons. Ah, okay, dimensionals on the back of that. Perhaps 3 might do, although I probably should put about 6. Not really. I do like my dimensionals. Let go. All right, and I'm going to put that right there. Burp. And then, very good. I love it. Okay, make sure, oh, that's the front. So there we go, a little thanks box. cute. Hey, guys. All right, so this is the share for today. Thank you so much for joining me. You know how to subscribe. Can you imagine we hit 14,000 subscribers this week? I can't even imagine. 14K, are you kidding me? I don't even have that many friends. Well, yes, I guess I do. So thank you so much for subscribing and sharing, and I will see you next time. Bye for now. Hey, thanks for sticking around to the end of the video. On screen are 2 more videos for inspiration. Click on the maple leaf for my blog, or click on me to subscribe to my channel. Thanks again for watching.